positive resonance effect. Fifth structure which is not given in your textbook, that I am drawing. We are having the changed, and again we are having the original reactant. This electron will convert into bond, and this bond will convert into electron. The fifth structure which is not drawn in your textbook is this. This bond as it is, this bond as it is, this electron converted into bond, ready. This bond is converted into electron, ready. Again we have got neutral structure. This is also neutral structure. Here the bond is changed, place of bond is changed because it is rotating, but the system is conjugated because as it is alternate single bond and double bond present. Very easy, very simple. Draw aniline, electron transfer to bond, bond transfer to electron. This is the structure. Electron transfer to bond, bond transfer to electron. This is structure. Electron transfer to bond, bond transfer to electron. This is structure. Electron transfer to bond, bond transfer to electron. Clear? Very easy, very simple. This is positive resonance effect. Clear? Very clear. Now we are having negative resonance effect with proper example, nitrobenzene. Let's see. Negative resonance effect. In negative resonance effect, electron pair, lone electron pair will towards two substituent. Positive substitutive conjugated system. Electron away. Now electron is going to substituent from the system. That is known as negative resonance effect. Let's see with proper example. Polarity will be created. Same definition. This is nitrobenzene, NO, double bond O, alternate double bond. This is nitrobenzene. What will happen? Oxygen having 4 electron. This is covalent. This is the arrow bond. સવર્ગ સહસંયોજક બંધ ગુજરાતીમાં જે કહેવાય જેને કોઓર્ડિનેશન કોવેલેન્ટ બોન્ડ કહેવાય ગુજરાતીમાં સવર્ગ અને ઇંગ્લિશમાં કોઓર્ડિનેશન કોવેલેન્ટ બોન્ડ. What happen? This bond will convert into electron. So here double bond will convert into single bond. Here 4 electron, 2 electron of bond will transfer over here. Here is not O minus. And this bond will convert into bond. So here will plus charge and here will be minus charge. The same which I have explained, I am drawing. This bond will convert into bond, double bond, and this bond will convert into electron, single bond, 6 electron, minus charge. Here is plus charge. This bond is as it is. 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 Clear? Very simple. Very easy. No problem. This O as it is. this bond is converted into bond. Here is double bond. This bond is converted into electron. So here is single bond, and here is the positive charge. This bond as it is. 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 Now, what will happen? The next structure is, okay, ready. Now the bond will transfer over here, only bond. So here will be plus charge, bond will transfer over here, above no change. N O single bond, O 6 electron minus, bond will transfer over here, here will be plus charge, this bond is as it is. Clear. Now what will happen? Bond will transfer over here. So here will be charge changed from here ortho to para, para to ortho. Above structure as it is, no change. Above structure as it is, N O single bond O 6 electron minus charge. This bond as it is. This bond transfer over here, it is correct. Ready. This bond will transfer over here. Anywhere you can transfer. Let's see where transferring here. Transfer over here. Ready. Perfect. So here will double bond. Here will positive charge. Clear. So you can see charge positive ortho, charge positive para, charge positive ortho. Now what will happen? Again the electron, here is double bond as it is, everywhere I have to draw double bond. Clear. Now what last structure which is not given in your textbook, this bond will transfer over here and this electron pair will convert into bond, and we are having neutral compound, but place of bond will change. Here will be now double bond because electron pair will convert into bond. Here will be 4 electron, this bond as it is, this bond as it is, and this bond is transferred over here. Okay. So bond place is here, here and here, while bond place is changed. Structure is the same. It is again neutral structure. This is neutral structure. This is positive. This is negative resonance effect. Electron pair going towards substituent, negative resonance effect. Positive charge will rotate ortho para ortho place, while in positive resonance effect electron rotate at place ortho para ortho. Electron density increase in positive resonance effect, electron density decrease in negative resonance effect. So very clear, very simple, very easy. Try to draw 2-3 times this structure. Send me homework without fail. There are some functional group which are having positive effect: halogen, alcohol, ether, acetyl chloride, amine, primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. Amide are the positive resonance effect functional group, negative resonance effects functional group, ester, aldehyde, ketone, cyanide and nitro. We have taken the example of nitro that is related to negative resonance effect. So we have clear resonance effect, very small topic given to your textbook, but explanation is very most important. You must draw one by one structure by rotating electron or by rotating positive charge and try to properly remember and try to proper understand. Thank you very much.